All right, take a closer look now at the heat wave we've talked about. And once again, in the wintertime or even the latter part of the fall, our jet stream starts to drop on southbound. And as it does, this is pretty much our primary storm track as well. So as you might imagine, the cold air is banked up to the north and it begins to head on southward with the advancing snow cover, and also the fact that these cold air masses just are so big and strong, they just have to kind of sprawl their way southward in time. So our jet stream tends to ride pretty far on in the south, and as our rule of thumb, a lot of times we get our cold air banked in the wake of a low pressure area, for instance, behind it. Then the cold air begins to drop on down. And in fact, this is a pretty similar situation to what we have today, a lot of warm air back east. Here is our actual jet stream for today, and this is our big area of high pressure, and there's still two jet streams, as we have one right along the Canadian border and more down towards Mexico, another one tapping a lot of the moisture, bringing the incredible rains. Lafayette, Louisiana, 7.5 inches of rainfall over the past couple of days. But again, we talked about the heat, and that's all advancing on northbound. Check out the numbers now. These are the earlier morning temperatures, departures from normal, anywhere from 20 to 30 degrees above normal. And this is remarkable. Lows on the 15th of November running 65 to 70 degrees, anywhere from about Baltimore right on down into the Raleigh, North Carolina area. And as you might imagine now, lots of record highs flowing by the boards now. For today, we've had record heat as far up as Concord, New Hampshire, and as far down as Virginia and North Carolina. A couple of these are pretty amazing. Augusta at 87. Look at Richmond, 86 degrees. New York City, Central Park at 79. Newark, New Jersey up to 80. List goes on. Hartford, Connecticut at 78, and Boston up to 76. And even at this hour, very, very mild air over a lot of the eastern U.S., but there's old man winter, plenty of cold air to the west of our area of low pressure. Again, as Mike mentioned, a lot more to be found in Chapter 3 of the Weather Classroom.